Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. In this series, I will guide you through the process of dealing with circular references in project finance models. We will focus on breaking down the three main project finance structures that lead to circular references: interest during construction, debt sculpting, and the debt service reserve account. For each structure, we're going to cover their purpose, setup, and I'll pinpoint the sources of the circular references. In the final video, we're going to merge these structures into one, handling all the macros these structures generate into a macro manager tool. By addressing each structure individually, we're going to be able to understand the factors and root cause of circular references in each case. And by bringing them together, you will learn how to effectively manage models with multiple circular references. The reason behind this course is the common struggle that I see people facing in understanding circular references when doing project financial models. Throughout this series, we're going to dissect each structure step by step in a logical and easy way to follow, ensuring you understand the pieces and bits of each structure. If you ever felt lost when dealing with circular references, this series is tailored to your needs. There are two ways you can follow the series. The first one is by downloading the free version of the Excel file, which will look like this timeline here, and build up the models on your own. Or, if you prefer, you can also purchase the 8 Excel files that I prepared for this series, which contain the start and end versions of each one of the videos. Now, no more discussion. Let's gonna dive into the first video of how to build the interest during construction structure.